Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're showcasing some of the most intense moments on the road. From serious collisions to near misses, each video is shared for educational purposes, aiming to raise awareness about traffic safety. We do not promote violence or reckless behavior. Watch, learn, and always remember, driving safely is a responsibility we all share.
Losing control can happen even on straight roads, potentially due to speed or a sudden steering input. Always match your speed to the conditions. Unpredictable swerving like this is extremely dangerous. Maintain space and be ready for anything when near large vehicles. Double solid lines mean no overtaking for a reason, often due to limited visibility like hills or corners, or high-risk areas like this railway crossing. Catastrophic failure, possibly brakes or driver incapacitation. This shows the immense destructive force of heavy vehicles when out of control. Failing to yield when pulling out can cause serious accidents. Look carefully and ensure it's clear before entering traffic. Never underestimate the stopping distance of large trucks. Cutting in front too closely leaves them no room to react. Intersections in the rain require extra caution. Reduced visibility and slippery surfaces increase the risk of collisions. Running red lights is a primary cause of severe intersection crashes. Always be prepared to stop. Another T-bone collision at an intersection. Never assume the other driver sees you or will obey the signals. High center of gravity vehicles like pickups and SUVs are more prone to rolling over, especially when taking curves too fast. This is extremely reckless. Never attempt to clear your windshield while driving. Pull over to a safe location first. Visibility is paramount. Even emergency vehicles aren't immune to intersection dangers, especially in slippery conditions. Always approach intersections with caution. Judging gaps when merging requires careful observation of traffic speed and distance. Pulling out unsafely forces others to react. Turning left across oncoming traffic is one of the most dangerous maneuvers. Accurately judging speed and distance is critical. Motorcycles are harder to see than cars. Always perform a thorough check before turning or changing lanes.
Thank you for watching until the very end. If you found this video informative or eye-opening, please give it a like to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. We'll continue to share real-life traffic incidents to help raise awareness and promote safer driving habits. Stay safe out there and see you in the next video.